one thinks, okay, we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, we want to go to 5. And in a way, that's right. That's also what I've told. But you can also the middle is something very special. And you can compare this sequence also as if you would plan to go for hiking on a mountain. So in the morning you decide, where do we want to go? Then you travel there, you sit in the car, you look around left and right. And then you have to start to climb the hill, to climb the mountain. And then you need all your warmth, energy. You go into it. And then you have to have a break. And then you have to, from out there, you have to say, now we go on again, yeah? Even as a sort of antipathy against your laziness or weight. And then the third step is you reach the summit. The whole world is in front of you. You widen your arms, but you also must say, oh, be careful, don't fall down there. Oh, it's so nice. Oh no, stop, don't fall. Huh? And that's, in a way, the goal. And afterwards, you go down the hill and you look around, all this, you have made it. You can just take it in. Great, it is such a great day. The sun sinks, it becomes quieter, everything. You just breathe everything in, like in the hobo. And then at night, you go to bed and you just open up and you let go. And that's when all these nourishing forces start to work, the healing forces, the forces which let the muscles grow, which takes the pain away. Yeah, this wide, we spread out into the sleeping world in a way, and what we have done during the day can just start to unfold. So we are on the summit with this exercise.